Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove saved passwords in Safari on your MacBook. This is useful if you no longer use an account, want to remove old login details, or stop Safari from autofilling certain passwords. Let's go straight to it. First, open Safari and click the Safari option in the top left corner of your screen, then choose Settings. On some older macOS versions, this may appear as System Preferences. Now look for the Passwords section and click on it. You'll be asked to unlock it using your Mac password or Touch ID. Once unlocked, you'll see a list of all saved passwords stored on your Mac and synced with Safari. On the left side, browse through the saved websites or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific account. Once you find the password you want to remove, click on it. Now you can use the fastest method by clicking the Remove button at the bottom of the window. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete the password. Click Remove, and the saved login will be removed immediately. One important thing to remember is that Safari will no longer autofill this password after it's deleted, so you'll need to enter it manually next time you sign in. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. There's also another method if you only want to view or edit details instead of deleting them. Select the saved password, then click the Details button at the bottom of the window. From here you can see the username, password, and website information. You can also update the username or password manually if your login details changed recently instead of removing the account completely. Once you finish editing, click Save to update the information, and that's it. You now know how to remove or manage saved passwords in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.